very tremendous topic for today. Yeah, related to the advantage or disadvantage of the social media. So I'm going to like give my opinions on those two aspects. Okay, as we know that every single human has their own opinions related to this topic. Okay, based on my opinion first, I'm gonna talk about the advantage first of the social media. Okay, I'm talking about the advantage first. Okay, the first advantage of the social media that you can share, okay, about something, like it make it faster. You shouldn't have to wait until for several days, to make it the information is spread it out. And also, the second one is the advantage of the social media is you can chat. You can share something with your friends, even though your friend is not here, is not these countries. You can still communicate with